Hey guys, hope you all are good. First of all, thank you for 400 subscribers. We are 400 people strong now. Just keep supporting like this and I will never let you down. So, today we are going to learn something different, that is Zendoodle. So what is Zendoodle? Zendoodle is a type of Zentangle inspired by something. Now, what is Zentangle? So when we make circular pen art, we call it mandala, but when it has other shape, it is called Zentangle. So today's video is on how to draw a peacock Zendoodle art step by step, especially for beginners. Well, in my last 3 videos, I explained the simplest form of mandala. So this is one level up from those. This artwork looks hard, but I will show you the easiest way to draw it and in just 10 minutes. Wait guys, before we start. As we have passed 400 subscribers, I want to announce something that I am going to give shoutouts of fan arts in my videos and on my Instagram stories. So if you want to be highlighted, then send me your artworks on Instagram or through emails, and in next video I will show every single artwork which you send me. So hurry up, and today's shoutout is at the end of the video, so don't miss it. So before starting, ensure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon so to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. I have taken an ivory sheet of dimensions 29 into 20 cm. Now I am meeting the midpoints of all the sides so that I could get the center of the sheet. Now I am using a protractor and marking points at intervals of 10 degrees. This will create 36 sections. Now, drawing straight lines from center to the point we mark. This will help us in getting precision and accurate grids. Now, with the help of compass, draw concentric circles. So while drawing concentric circles, I don't measure the distance between two circles. It is just an assumption that this much gap is enough and suitable. So here our grid is ready. Now focus on this part. I am drawing a basic structure of peacock. Now it is very easy to draw because we have grids, and now we will get more precision without facing problems. Tell me in the comments if you find it harder. Now erasing the lines so we could clearly see the peacock structure and rubbing extra lines. Now moving to next part, that is drawing the designs. I recommend you to first draw every pattern with pencil and then use pen. Now we will detail it. I am using 0.1 mm fine liner here. If you don't have fine liner, so you can use other pattern with less details, and if you wanted to buy fine liners, then the link is in the description below. I am just adding small things so that our pattern will look complicated after it completes. Moving to second section. So just keep going section by section and make sure you will complete single section at a time. So it will be easier for you to crack these type of complicated artworks, and especially for beginners. Tell me, if you are a beginner, don't you want it to be professional as fast as possible? Of course yes, we all want to be. So that's why this is the best place to learn the tricks to make your work perfect and achieve perfection easily. Now, moving to third section. Just keep the shapes intact and follow the steps which I am showing as much as possible, so that you cannot get it harder to draw.
Even when you're out of focus, I will be the
Now moving to fourth section. This time you can see I am not leaving any section unfilled because I wanted my artwork to look complicated and this will give an attractive look. Now focus on section 5. Here I am drawing a circle in the middle of section. This is helpful in drawing these type of patterns. It decreases the chances of mistakes and our pattern shapes look accurate and precise. I am showing every single detail and suggesting you the simplest way to draw it. So if you like my tutorial, then please subscribe to the channel and comment down. Moving to section 6, I suggest you to use pencil to draw the patterns as you are a beginner, so it will help you to draw the pattern accurate and reduces the chances of mistakes.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
Now I am drawing the last layer of our Zentangle and I wanted this layer to be the most attractive.
Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always
So as you can see, I am drawing it above the patterns drawn. I am leaving small gaps here, so this will look more detailed. Now detailing the shape which I have drawn. These are the basic shapes which anyone can draw, and I made a complicated artwork using these shapes.
staying up when I go out. You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do
Now this is my most favorite part. We are going to color our peacock with pencil colors. I am outlining the peacock with bold lines so that it makes a contrasting look.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why
Here I am drawing dots in the white space left. These are the color shades which I have used for blending. I am starting with the light color shades.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for
As you can see, I am making it darker and darker step by step.
I can't go back to walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I used black color to give it a 3D look.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means
Now, at last, I am going to give it a final touch.
share it with you.
I am going to use beads to make my artwork more attractive and colorful.
Memories and frames
You can use anything in spite of beads.
simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make
Now it's time for a shout out. So today's lucky person selected for shout out is Swarnima. She made Lord Buddha drawing and this was her first attempt. So congratulations Swarnima, you made it very beautiful.